Today let us do this topic, graphical solution of linear equation in two variables. So what will be a linear equation in two variables? This is a linear equation in two variables. It is, first of all, it is linear because power of x is 1, power of y is 1, and over here the power of anything is 0. So it is linear. Two variable because x and y are there, and inequality because this inequality sign is there. Therefore this is a linear equation in two variables. Now let us draw the graph of this. X-axis, y-axis. X by 6 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. On x-axis it will intersect at 6, on y it will intersect at 3. So if we get 2 points, we can draw a unique line through those 2 points. That's why we find out 2 points. We found out the point intersecting x-axis and y-axis. Now if we draw a line through this point, then this line will represent x plus 2y is equal to 6. It will represent the equality part. All the points on this line will satisfy this equality. Now let's say this 0, 0. First let's see one more thing. This any line divides a plane into two halves. This line is dividing plane into two halves. This plane and this plane. So when we try and find a solution of this inequality, it will lie in one of these two halves. And if it is also an equal to sign over here, then it will lie on the line also. Otherwise it will lie in one of these two halves. Now let's see the solution of this equation. We have x plus 2y greater than 6. We put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. We can take any point on this graph. We are taking this point because it will be the easiest thing to do. So we have taken x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now let's put it in this equation. We get 0 plus 2 into 0. That is equal to 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. Is 0 greater than 6? False. So this point lie in this plane, but it is coming out to be false. So the solution will lie in the opposite plane. So this is a solution of this linear inequality, this shaded part over here. This second plane is the solution of this linear inequality. Let's see one more example. X plus 3y less than equal to 6. Now let's draw this line. We have an inequality over here. We'll draw the line for equality. This line will be x will be intersecting at 6 and y will be intersecting at 3. How we find out these 2 points, that we will learn in another chapter. Right now you can just find 2 points which are satisfying this inequality and draw the line of those 2 points. See, you can do it like this also. Over here on x-axis y will be equal to 0. So you put y is equal to 0. So you get x is equal to 6. On y-axis all the x will be 0. So you put x is equal to 0. So you get y is equal to 2. So that's how you find these 2 points. Now let's see where 0, 0 lies. 0, 0 is over here in this plane. Now let's see it is true or false. 0 plus 3 into 0, that is 0 plus 0, that is 0. Is 0 less than equal to 6? Yes, this is true. That means we have to take this plane. And since there is an equality over here, we'll take points lying on this line also. So all the points lying on this line and in this plane. Because 0, 0 turned out to be 2. 0, 0 was in this plane, not in, there are 2 planes. 0, 0 was in this plane and it was true. Therefore we took this plane. In this example, 0, 0 was in this plane, but it was false. Therefore we took the opposite plane. So that's how we solve linear equation in two variables. This is a graphical solution and that's how we solve it. Now complete all the parts of the exercises, all the question in exercises corresponding to this section.